right? So this is the algorithm part. I have to figure out where is the tile that he can move. Okay, so let's add a clickable. File clickable. Clickable unit.ts. Rename unit click. So this is called when unit is clicked. Okay, unit click. Import A-frame and A-frame rich. What is this thing? A-frame rich unit click. Okay. Init function. This add event is not click. Console of I'm clicked. Copilot, huh? Unit click. Unit click. Where's my thing? Okay. So if I click it, key down event. Where's the console? I'm just gonna delete it. Click. Wait, why is not? Let's reload. Where's my guy? Okay, so in order to make this click event work, I think I needed to do something with async. What was that? Cursor component interaction, isn't it? Cursor. I think it was a cursor component. Cursor is a mouse or mouse. Okay, so cursor right or right. This is it. I needed to define a cursor. Cursor is right origin mouse. So this should trigger the click event. No. What am I missing? Click, 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 click. So unit click. Oh, because I haven't imported. No, I did. Unit click switch. Unit click. Sure. I was clicked. Okay, so if I click this guy, the system should calculate which are the tiles that he can move. So in order to figure, well, what I want to do is to display this kind of blue tiles. It's indicating where he can move. This has a bush, so he cannot move it here. So that's the logic of the tactics system. Okay. So in order to know that, for instance, if he's surrounded by the water, he can't go over the water, and that means this tile is not walkable. He can only walk on top of the dirt. Well, what I have in the scene is everything is dirt, so he can just move to anywhere. But I want to make it so that he can't climb if the step is too high, like higher than 2 feet or something. So in order to figure that out, Okay, so this is an algorithm part. So how would I calculate where he can move? Move calculation. Alright, so I'm just going to draw something here. Okay, so what we have is so, well, I'm not just going to do it here, like this way. So imagine he's facing south. I was going to do it, to start from he's facing north, but as it's z-axis and it's facing down. So if he's here, he can either turn right or turn left or move forward. Okay, so this is my logic. Okay, so he can either move forward or turn right or turn left. And moving forward, so he would, I don't know, I just, he would have 220 points to start with. So this would be his like speed parameter. If he's fast, he can just maybe use 30 points, but I would just start with 20. So moving forward would consume 1 point, and turning right would consume 2 points. 2 points. So by keep doing that, how much he can move. But if the step or the height is so if it's flat and moving forward, it's 1 point, right? And if the step is 0.25, it consumes maybe 1.5. And if it's 2, I would say it consumes 2 points. And if it's 75, then you can't go. So that would be the rule, I would think. Then where can he move by consuming 20 points or less? Is it a good logic? And he can consume any number that's less than 20, so he doesn't have to use everything up. For instance, so if he wants to go this, turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward, we'll take him here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 5 points. And if he goes first, and turn left, move, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, he has to move, turn this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it takes 7 points to take this path, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It takes 5 points to take this path. Then he would just take this path, but he would end up facing this way, or he would end up facing this way. Okay. Let's make another rule that you can't don't end with turn right or turn left. Always end with move forward. I think that's what the tactics Olga was doing. After moving to a certain spot, the game would allow you to choose whatever the direction you want the character to face at the end. So counting the turn at the end wouldn't really matter because you're going to override it anyways. So don't end with TR or TL. Okay. So I'm just gonna, can you move back? Okay, so I'm gonna just make the algorithm just with these conditions today. Let's see. Okay, so library